how to put a prepaid card in Cash App. Now what we want to do is log into our Cash App account, then click on your profile icon here in the top right corner, and then we are going to go to linked banks here. So click on linked banks and you should be able to see a list here of your main bank linked or any other banks, and you will see an option to link a debit card. Now if we want to put a prepaid card here, we will select link a debit card, and most prepaid cards will be supported, as well as credit cards and debit cards here on Pay or on Cash App, sorry. So here you will just need to put your prepaid card's number, and if you don't see a prepaid option here, try using the debit card number like I have open right here. So you'll just type out the info and you click on link card, and then if it detects that it's a prepaid card, it is automatically going to link it for you, and that's how you link a prepaid card on Cash App. Like I said, we want to click on the profile icon at the top right, then you go to linked banks, and if you see a prepaid card option, you select that one. Otherwise, you select link debit card and you will type out your info right here. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.